Let us now cover in this video what exactly Wireshark is. So Wireshark is basically a free and open source packet analyzer that captures data packets flowing over the network. Network can be wire in this case. So that's why the term Wireshark comes, wherein you are basically shark eats fish. So fishes you can resemble it to the packets that are flowing in the wire, and Wireshark is basically used to access those packets that are flowing in the wire. So those packets that are flowing in the network are accessed using this tool called Wireshark and presents them in an understandable format using its GUI. What are the various uses of Wireshark? Number one, it is used for network troubleshooting. Second, it is used for network analysis. Third, it is used as software and communications protocol development. Fourth, it is used for education purposes. It can run on operating systems such as Linux, OS X, that is Mac OS, Windows, etc. There is also a terminal-based version of Wireshark, which is also called T-Shark. It is a non-GUI version of Wireshark. Coming to our next point, it supports wide range of protocols like TCP, UDP, HTTP, and even advanced protocols such as AppleTalk. It also has advanced options such as filtering the packets, exporting the packets, and name resolution. It can capture live data flowing through the network. So these are the uses of Wireshark. If you like the video you just saw, please consider hitting the like button and letting us know. Also, subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends. Stay awesome and see you next time.